Hello all, welcome to another episode of IDK Show Me How, brought to you by your local SPH Tech, Jamal Douglas. Today we're going to be talking about remoting into your office PC. And what we're going to do today is we're going to talk about remoting in from one PC, possibly a laptop or another desktop, to your office PC. A couple things we have to get through. First, we need to know our host name, i.e. our IP address. One of those things can be found at displaymyhostname.com. You can actually see it in the browser right up here. I'll actually, if you want to pause this video and go ahead and write that down, that'd be great. And this is not actually the name of the host computer that we're logging into, so disregard this number. Our number is written down here, and this is our host IP, and that's what we're going to be using to log in with today. The next thing we're going to make sure we need to have, because we're not on campus at GSU here, we're going to need our Cisco VPN client. And you can get that at the technology page under software. And I've actually written down the address, the full address, to the link right here. And you can again pause and write this down if you need to. All right, now we're going to get to it. We are actually already connected to the VPN. I've already logged in. We are securely connected to all GSU information. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to open up the remote desktop app. And usually it's found right up here, but if you can't find it, you can always type remote desktop connection right here in the search. So we're going to start that. And we are going to enter our IP address. And I'm simply going to copy it. And paste it. Now, when we connect, we're actually going to need to know the username, which is already up here because I've already logged in, and the password. So I'm logging in as administrator. You will have a unique login and password to your computer. All right, and that was easy enough. We are in, and this is the administrator on my computer. And now we can minimize, restore down if we need to work on something else over here. So we have complete control over both computers. We can change things, move things around. And when we are done, we simply exit out. So now let's just remember the key things we're going to need here is we're going to need the IP address. We're going to need to know our user login. We're going to need to know our password. And we're going to need to already have installed the Cisco AnyConnect Secure Mobility Client, i.e. the VPN. Okay, now that we've successfully learned how to log in from PC to our office PC computer, one of the things we're going to need in order to make this happen every single time is tech support needs to know your computer name so that we can drop you in the right container to allow you to remote in. And you can find that by going to computer, right-clicking, going to properties, and clicking on that. But I already have it up for you right here, and you can see your computer name right here. And this computer, this name is SPH-HD9BG12. And that's what you need to give us, as well as the IP information, in order to log in every time and be able to access all your files, all your programs on your office PC. Thank you. This has been another episode of IDK Show Me How, brought to you by your local SPH Tech, Jamal Douglas. Hope to see you again.